type of woman. I'm that type of woman. I'm that type of woman. Listen, I'm the type of woman, not any type of woman. The type of woman that'll go out and get it. And I ain't with that shoo-shoo and all that gossip. And ain't worried what's in your pockets. I'm just minding my business. You see, I'm the type of woman, not any type of
we are now going to the mall. I changed because I ended up cooking and doing other stuff, so I was probably now all sweaty and stuff. So I had to change because someone is standing in the middle of the road. So now I'm headed to Mall of the North to look for clothes for the boys. Both of them. Good morning. Hi guys, welcome to a brand new day in the vlog. Today is a Tuesday. You might be wondering why I'm not working. I think today I'll just be creating content for work, and yeah, I need to go back to the mall. I need to go and exchange Rachan's shoes because they're quite big for him. Yeah, I could say kuriramo, but it's not making sense because he has to drag his feet, so I really have to go and change them and take a size that's much closer. The thing is, I took a size 9 from size 7. I took a size 9. Imagine. So I thought that he would fit, because what's happening with his other shoes is you have to struggle to get them on. So I was like, since I'm struggling to get those on, let me get a size bigger. And I took 9, and it's not making sense because they are quite big for him. So I need to go back and return those, and also buy his diapers. Yeah, potty training is not at this point. I don't know what to do. Anyways, yeah, I have to buy his diapers. He is wearing the pants now, the pull-up pants. Yeah, so I have to go and do that. So since I'm going to the mall, I'm just going to buy the diapers at the mall. He's not up yet, and it's already 10 something, and he's not up. So I think I'm just going to go and come back and see how the rest of my day will go. So 10. Yeah. Isabella. Okay.
What more can I give to you to show you again? What can I show to you to show me there? Everything I give to you never come back. I know what I need to do this time. All I really need is love at this time. All I really need is love at this time. All I really need is love at this time. Love it inside, I love it in, but my medulla, but my brigada. Love it, but my head, love it, but my head, love it, but my medulla, but my brigada. Love it, but my head, love it, but my head, love it. And this time with my love, and this time falling for your love. And deep down wanna be something. Cover my love, baby, cover my love, you know. Me never give no girl all this type of love, everything I give to you, everything. You play me for that guy, going through the whole time road, seeing the whole time road, seeing with the whole time road. Now we watching that guy on a mission on the television. Now you see my fucking vision. Now you see man on the mission. This time, all I really need is love in this time. All I really need is love in this time. All I really need is love in this time. Love in this time. Love it, but my medulla, but my brigada. Love it, but my head, love it, but my head, love it, but my medulla, but my brigada. Love it, but my head, love it, but my head, love it.
Sounds.
Emily, põe aqui embaixo. Sério. You already changed. Like, I don't see you there anymore. Like, I don't see me anymore. You just already changed them.
Keep it bouncing. This is tender feeling, got a feeling my heart, baby, for you. I can express the way I'm feeling, baby, yeah, you. Baby, I don't know, wanna hold it down, baby, on the low. I just want to let you know, say like, I love the vibe you give to me. You make me feel like somebody. I'll be the ice in your cake and some more toppings. Baby, you're the honey I need, oh. Baby, I said, oh, fantasy. Baby, you're the one for me, I'm the one for you, I swear. Ella, Ella, Ella. Baby, would you love me better? Baby, would you treat me better, baby? Oh, I said, Ella, Ella, Ella. Baby, would you love me better? Baby, would you treat me better, baby? Would you love me better? Would you treat me better, baby? I will demand for you, be the man for you, my baby. Nobody but you, nobody but you. You did my Yankee man, sing this song like I love the vibe you give to me. You make me feel like somebody. I'll be the ice in your cake and some more toppings. Baby, you're the one I need, oh. Baby, I said no fantasy. Baby, you're the one for me, I'm the one for me, I said, Ella, Ella, Ella. Baby, would you love me better? Baby, would you treat me better, baby? Oh, I say, Ella, Ella, Ella. Baby, would you love me better? Baby, would you treat me better, baby?